Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Windows 11 shutdown box keeps popping up randomly on your computer. So if you're not pressing any keys on your keyboard and the dialog window will just seemingly randomly appear. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So it's possible there may be an update that might be pending installation. So you may want to just consider restarting your computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. And if there's any updates available that it might have already downloaded and it was just waiting a restart to install, go ahead and let it restart. Something else we can try here as well, if you open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt, right click on it, and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video, guys. First one's going to be the system file checker utility scan. So go ahead and copy that and then paste it into the command prompt here and hit enter. Give it a couple minutes to run. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video and paste it into the command prompt as well, and go ahead and run that. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.